The Italian case study of the shelter project is the Ravenna Open Lab, which is located in the city center of the city. It is, in particular, the church and archaeological area of Santa Croce, which is located in the buffer zone of the monumental area of San Vitale, one of the 8 UNESCO monuments of the city. The project allowed to bring not only different expertise groups from the University of Bologna together to work with an interdisciplinary approach in the area, but also to bring researchers from the university and partners from the European Union to together with stakeholders to discuss and overcome the criticalities within the Open Lab. So first of all, the area faces some natural hazards, in particular groundwater flooding, also due to the subsidence phenomena which is present in the whole territory of Ravenna, but also some governance issues, meaning that there is a complex governance system with 2 owners and 1 manager in the area that need to cooperate together and be aligned in all their actions in order for a greater protection of the site. The main result of the Ravenna Open Lab will be the drafting and development of a maintenance plan, and together with that, an emergency contingency plan to deliver to the stakeholders that will include all the work done by the different research groups. And at the end of the project, one expected impact will be the enhancement of cooperation among the stakeholders of the area. Finally, we hope to deliver a tool, a plan that will be replicable for all the other heritage sites of the city facing the same challenges.